Design elements and design principles. What are the difference? First, let's take design elements. You can think of design elements as the basic building blocks or ingredients that you need in bringing up your design to life. So these are kind of the visual components that makes your design work. Examples include line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and value. On the other hand, design principles are more like the rules and regulations or the rules and guidelines that guides how you're going to use these elements in achieving your design. So you think of it like preparing food. The design element is the ingredients that you are going to use to prepare your food. This could include your tomato, your onion, and all those things. The salt and everything that you would use to prepare your food. But design principles is how much amount of salt do you need for this food? How much amount of pepper do you need for this food? I get in the point. So design principles ensures that the right amount of each of the elements that you use are used in order to make your design visually appealing and effectively communicated to the intended user. Example of the design principles includes contrast, balance, rhythm, emphasis, unity, and etc. So in summary, design elements are the what you need to make your design work out, the tangible things that we can see, and design principles are the how. That is the method and the strategies in using the elements in achieving a successful design. I hope this explains